Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Skype ID. Let's have a look now. Open the Skype application and click on these three dots. Select Settings. In the Account and Profile section, you should find information about your Skype ID or Skype name. Here is your Skype name. You can copy this and share with your friends. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.